Hi guys, welcome back to Stroll with me. I hope you all are doing well and you are healthy. So today I'm back with another topic, and before that I'm just going to tell you, if you're somebody new here to my channel, then my name is Nida and I make videos about my life in Germany and my travels. So now let's get started. So in Germany, most of the apartments that you will rent, they are without kitchen. So yeah, mostly they will hand over the apartment to you without kitchen, and you have to fit your own kitchen, bring all the things that are needed for your kitchen. So that's why it's very important to know, like, what are all the things are necessary to have in an empty kitchen as well. Like, what are the connections you need to have. So we'll talk about that in this video. And so how majority of the kitchens are handovered here in Berlin. So mostly when you gonna rent a flat, which is a long-term flat or an unlimited contract flat apartment, so mostly you will get your apartment without any installed kitchen. The installed kitchen in the sense, all the cupboards which will be which you have to fit, including your sink, your stove, and all the slab, everything, and your dishwasher, everything. So this is all together here, it forms a kitchen, right? So you won't get anything here. So in most cases, like, out of for example, let's say out of 100 apartments, mostly 80 apartments that you'll get, they are without kitchen, so you have to install it by yourself. That's how the flats are handed over to any tenant, mostly in Berlin and Germany. So now coming to the next point, from where you can get all your kitchen appliance and the kitchen cupboards, closets, I mean, so from where you can get it. So most eminently, the store which works here is IKEA, and if you can, like, order from IKEA, you can get it delivered to your home by paying some delivery charges to them. And other than IKEA, there are there are many stores in Berlin. So I will name some of them, but I will give you all the stores in the description below, where you can get all your kitchen appliance, and some in some websites that I'm providing you, you can specifically get your home furniture. So it will be a mix of all the stores, so just check out the description. So now if I want to name some of the stores, then apart from IKEA, there is Otto, there is Home 24, there is Hofner, there is Helvig. So these are all the stores, like, which are also famous apart from IKEA. So from here you can order your kitchen, or you can go and pick up your kitchen. You can book any a mini van, and you can get your kitchen if you want. But mostly, yeah, they will provide you delivery service. From here you can get all the first hand kitchen. There is also option here that you can buy the second hand or the used kitchen, which means mostly the tenants who are living the flat, they mostly sell their own furniture. If you get in contact with the tenant, they would definitely willing to hand over their kitchen for a certain money. So you have to pay the money. You can even negotiate in this case. If the kitchen is good and clean, you can negotiate, and you can just take the kitchen, because it's very tedious process to install, to get the kitchen to install, because usually for installation also you have to pay somebody, and the installation charges are very high here. So it's better that you take the kitchen. I am taking a new apartment, the first option that I'll look for is, like, okay, there's already a kitchen. If the tenant wants to give away his kitchen, then I'm good to take it. I will just give the money, negotiate with them. It's better for me. Otherwise, I have to get everything and I have to install everything. So this is how it works. From where you can get all your kitchen and all the furniture. And the other second option that I told you, that you can also take it from the previous tenant. And the other important place that I would like to suggest you to take a look, to keep eye on if you are renting a flat or you are changing from your current flat to other flat is eBay. So there is eBay Kleinanzeigen. I will give you, if I'm not pronouncing it correct, then I'm going to give you the name of it and also the link of it. So it's basically eBay here, which actually works here in Berlin, also I mean throughout Germany. So you can go there. There are many people who are just dumping their kitchens. Like if they want to move, their landlords won't agree that they will keep their kitchen which they installed. They want their kitchen to leave along with them. So in this case, what they do, they just dump their kitchens. They are, maybe there are cases that they're leaving the country and they don't want it anymore. They might be selling or they might be dumping. So in that case, you can just do your van and just go and in this case you have to dismantle all things and you have to get it by yourself. So this is also an option. So how much it's gonna cost you to set up entirely a new all the new kitchen? So definitely you might have this question, I don't know how much it's gonna cost me if I install all my kitchen. So just for a rough idea, I'm gonna give you a number. So if you want to set up a 10 centimeter width kitchen with a slab for 2 persons, they can stand and cook. So that will cost you around 870 euro. So I'm just giving you for an idea. So I have already checked it in one of the store that I was mentioning, Photo. So they are giving it for 870 euro. They are giving appliance but without fridge and the dishwasher and chimney. So all the stove and the closets, they are giving it for around 870 euro. You have to install by yourself. If you want installation, you have to pay the installation charges. So this is just a rough idea. And if you are buying in second hand, definitely it definitely depends, because you might be negotiating with some person. Maybe they are giving away their entire kitchen, maybe which costed them some around 4,000 euro, and they are maybe giving you away for like 2,500 or 3,000 euros. So it depends how you negotiate. I can't really give you a rough price on the second hand.
So again, I'm giving you a closer look at the connections. These are the three connections that you will always find in an empty kitchen: hot water, a cold water, and an outlet pipe where water goes outside.
Guys, this is day 2, and actually I didn't got time to shoot the video on the same day of my installed kitchen. This is my kitchen. This is where I currently I'm living and I'm cooking here. So yeah, ignore that. If you are getting any noise from the background, it's because of I'm stir frying something, and I'm sorry, I was in a hurry because it's Ramadan time and I have to cook for our iftar. So yeah, back to the point. If you when I moved here, I got installed kitchen. So if you're also moving to a rented apartment, this how your installed kitchen is gonna look like. So yeah, basically I don't know if you can see from here. So basically this is a grill, like oven, and here you will have your induction top, and yeah, this is the hob, and here you already get a dishwasher and some cabinets to store everything. Okay, so two cabinets to store everything. And yeah, basically that's it. I think I don't remember how many centimeters is this one, but I'll put in the in somewhere here about how long is it, so that you will get an idea if you're moving, if this top is enough for you, the slab is enough for you to stand there and cook. Also gonna show you the other side of my kitchen. So this is the other side of my kitchen. Like here also I got lot of cabinets to store everything. Here basically I store all my plates, cutlery, and crockery. So yeah, this is quite a big kitchen, I can say, because you basically won't find such big kitchens here in Europe, because the European style of kitchens are like they are really small in terms of space, but this is quite big and I can comfortably cook here. So this is how, guys, an installed kitchen looks like. And yeah, if you want to take a closer look, so here also I got some space, and here there is a space for the washing machine. And yeah, as I told you, this is a dishwasher, and this is induction, and also the grill. So yeah, I'm cooking as it's iftar time. I have to actually cook. I thought just to capture this video now because there is plenty of light still outside. It's almost 7:20, but still, as you see, it's very bright outside. So yeah, basically this is how you will get an installed kitchen if you move to any apartment who are giving you a fitted kitchen. And yeah, if you want like more cabinets, you can add more. For example, here we think like still this space is not enough for you, these cabinets, you can add here on the top of the wall. So yeah, you will get more of space. So guys, basically that's it. That's how the fitted kitchens and the apartments which are with empty kitchen looks like. So if you have more questions, if you want to know more about where can you buy, how can you pick all the pieces to install your kitchen, if you still have some questions, then definitely leave your comments in the comment box. You can also follow me on Instagram. Also give my Instagram link in the description below. So do check out, text me if you have questions. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. See you again very soon. Bye.